Every single day, there is a new AI tool coming up, but I have an extra eye for the tools which are released by Google. No matter it's Nano Banana, no matter it's VO 3.1, the recent video which I created, and any tool which is created by Google always gets an attention of mine because Google is the king. I mean, you talk about Google Chrome, you talk about Google Search, any of the Google tool, whenever they create it's awesome most of the time. But in this case, the tool Pomely, which is launched by Google, I'm not really a fan of it. The way it produces the marketing creatives, I personally didn't like when I tested that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also play around with that new Google AI marketing assistant by the name of Pomely, which Google released. And personally, it's just the cheap version of Canva, but I'll let you guys decide and let me know in the comments below what do you think about this tool. So let me show you my screen here, and here you can see I have some creatives created for one of my client website, and this is basically the marketing creatives. So Google says that it's an AI marketing assistant. You're gonna give it a website and it's going to completely find out about the fonts, about the pictures, and create these marketing creatives for you, which you can use on your Facebook campaigns, on your Google campaigns, on whatever you want to use, right? And this is the website. So if you click on business DNA, it took out the website URL, it took out the business name, and here we have the images showing up of all of the website, from all of the website. And here we have the fonts which we have used on the website. These are the colors, taglines, and these are the brand values, brand aesthetics, brand of voice, business overview. So all of these details are being extracted directly from this tool. So you just have to add in your website URL and it's gonna pull up all of the details automatically. And if I click on these campaigns, so these are the 3 campaigns which it created, and we can also add in the prompt and create more ideas if we want to. And if I click on any of this campaign here, we have these multiple creatives here. And if I click on any of the creative, it does also has the option of this image preview, the header. We can change the font, we can adjust the sizing, and we can also change the font, color, size, height. So all of this is available within this tool, but I don't see how it is different from Canva. We already have the Canva, and it does have a lot of templates, ready-made templates available, which you can use, and you can add in any image, or you can basically add in any font. You can do anything. It's just one thing where Canva doesn't have. It's just as it does not allow you to input the URL and it's going to extract the images automatically. But I think they might do that after seeing the Pomelli Google AI marketing assistants. So let me show you the start of the tool, how it starts. I'm going to reset it and see how it works here. So I'm going to click on reset business DNA. I'm going to click on delete all. By the way, it's just available on US at the moment. So if you're not in the US, it's not going to work. You'll have to add in the US VPN in case you want to try this out. But you don't have to, because I'm showing you this video where you can see how it actually works, right? So here we have this option here. Whenever you will land on Pomelli by Google Labs, and once you click on let's go, it's going to basically ask you for the website URL. And this time I'm going to add in my own website to see how it works. Click on continue, and now it is going to analyze your website and extract all of the information, all of the brand values, all of the color scheme, all of the fonts, and based on that, it is going to generate some creatives for you, which you can use on your marketing. But to me, those are very generic. Now, my website does not have like any person's pictures on that. It's just mostly words and some logos of the WordPress, Shopify, stuff like that. So let's see what it creates. And also make sure to watch the complete video and subscribe to our channel. I am following these new AI tools really hardly and try to provide you guys more value via these channels and via these videos where you can learn about these tools and understand how they basically works. Okay, here we have our business DNA ready for the website, and here you can see the URL, the website name, the logo, and here we have the font showing up. The exact font family which are being used on the website are showing up here. and the colors with all of the hex color codes, right? And here we have the tagline, which says the tagline of the website. And these are the brand's value, brand tone of voice, brand aesthetics, business overview. And here are the images which it was able to pull from the website. And it is basically trying not just the homepage images, it's also going into the inner pages and trying to extract all of the images and showing up here, which it's still being worked on. So it's taking a lot of time because I have some really big pictures on the portfolio of the website. So it might take some time, but I'm gonna click on looks good. And based on the images, it is now preparing the marketing materials for me, and it's gonna take some time for it to be prepared. Okay, guys, we have our marketing materials ready to be previewed. And these are the 3 different campaigns which it got generated from our website. And every single campaign have multiple images. And the result you can see for yourself. I mean, these are some basic label creatives which it generated. I mean, it's not going to take much time if anyone uses Canva and add some text from the chat GPT or any other tool. You can see we have this option here to change the font, to change the header text, and this is for the description. And we can also generate call to action here. So if we want to generate a call to action, it's going to possibly add a button somewhere. So if I click on generate, as you can see here, it's taking longer than expected due to the high volume. Obviously, it's Google. Whenever Google release a new tool, every YouTuber or every creator just start jumping on the tool, just like I'm doing. So that's what happens. And let's see what it does with the call to action. Get the AI edge. Okay, so that's our call to action. And let me see where it is showing up. Okay, guys, so that is the call to action, which you can see a button, which looks fine. And here we have the version history as well. So if you want to check out the old version, you have the version history. Okay, that's a good thing that we have the version history being saved for whatever creators we are creating, right? And these are some of the campaigns. Again, the same stuff. Here we have the option to download our creative. And these are the same tools. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Google Pomely? I personally think it's not worth it, as there are hundreds of tools already available. But let me know in the comments below if you like this new AI marketing assistant from Google. Until next video, have a great day.